Hello friends, welcome to you in Academic Gyan Ganga. So today we are studying about fuel cells. First question, which statement is incorrect for fuel cell? Option A, the noise level of fuel cells are high. Option B, fuel cells have high efficiency. Option C, fuel cells are modular. Option D, the emissions level of fuel cell are far below the permissible limits. So इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए. The noise level of fuel cells are high. It is incorrect for fuel cell. Second question, space and suitable catalyst are required to promote high rate of electrode process. Option A, very low temperature. Option B, moderate temperature. Option C, higher temperature. And option D, none of these. So इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी, हायर टेम्परेचर and suitable catalysts are required to promote high rate of electrode process. Third question, fuel cells are free from vibrations, heat transfers and thermal pollutions. It is true or false? So आंसर होगा इसका ट्रू. Fourth question, a stable interface between solid space, liquid space and gaseous space promotes high rate of electrode process. So इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी, a suitable interface between solid, electrode, liquid, electrolyte and gaseous fuel promotes high rate of electrode process. Next question, which of the following is an example of fuel cells? So इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी, all of the above, example of fuel cell. Next question, the electrolytic solution used in a hydrogen oxygen fuel cell is? Option A, 25% KOH solution. Option B, 75% KOH solutions. Option C, 75% NaOH solution. And option D, none of the above. So इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए, 25% पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड सोल्यूशन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द स्टैंडर्ड ईएमएफ ऑफ द हाइड्रोजन ऑक्सीजन फ्यूल सेल इज? ऑप्शन ए 4.75 वोल्ट. ऑप्शन बी 2.95 वोल्ट. ऑप्शन सी 3.25 वोल्ट. एंड ऑप्शन डी 1.23 वोल्ट. सो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी 1.23 वोल्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द रेजिडुअल प्रोडक्ट स्पेस इज डिस्चार्ज बाय द हाइड्रोजन ऑक्सीजन सेल. इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी, वाटर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाइड्रोजन ऑक्सीजन फ्यूल सेल कैन प्रोड्यूस ड्रिंकिंग वाटर ऑफ पोर्टेबल quality. It is true or false? So it is true. Option B is correct. Next question, fuel cell converts chemical energy to electrical energy using a reaction that option A eliminates combustion of fuel. Option B, fuel is not required. Option C, requires no ignition of fuel. And option D, none of the above. So option A is correct, eliminates combustion of fuel. Next question, fuel cell performance is limited by? Option A, first law of thermodynamics. Option B, second law of thermodynamics. Option C, third law of thermodynamics. And option D, both A and C. So correct answer is option D. Fuel cell performance is limited by first law of thermodynamics and third law of thermodynamics. Next question, the fuel cell is considered a battery in which space is continuously replaced? Option A, oxidizer. Option B, fuel. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. So correct answer is option C, both oxidizer and fuel. Next question, the voltage output of carbon oxygen fuel cell is, इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी 1.02 volt. Next question, the voltage output of hydrogen oxygen fuel cell is, इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी 1.23 volt. Next question, the voltage output of methane oxygen fuel cell is, इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए 1.06 volt. Next question, which of the following are properties of a fuel cell electrodes? Option A, good electrical conductors. Option B, should perform charge separations. Option C, highly resistant to corrosive environment. And option D, all of the above. So correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next question, which gases or liquids are used as a source of hydrogen in fuel cells? So correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next question, the efficiency of geothermal plant is, option A about 15%, option B about 30%, option C about 25%, and option D none of the above. So correct answer is about 15%. The efficiency of geothermal plant is about 15%. Next question, hydrothermal fluids are corrosive and abrasive in nature. It is true or false? So it is true. Option A is correct. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.